Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. How and TO make $5,000, $6,000 in 5-man UTES in CROBTO with DEFI. A full pro of method. I often find myself asking questions about money, especially when it comes to DeFi. Is it possible to earn income passively from DeFi despite not knowing anything about tech? That's the aim of this video, and I'm going to break it down and explain everything that even a 5-year-old will understand and start earning. DeFi is made up of two abbreviations. D is short for decentralized and Fi is short for finance. Putting both together, we have decentralized finance. Decentralized simply means sharing power and control and central authority among several local offices rather than one single office. Example, instead of power being in the hands of one person, it is now shared among several people. Finance, on the other hand, simply means the management of large amounts of money, especially by governments, banks, or large companies. Putting the both definition together, DeFi is taking the management of large amounts of money and several financial transactions from the banks and government, and then putting it in the hands of several people like you and me, and where we get a say in the decision-making process. From the definition, it is evident that there is a lot of money and earning opportunity created in the system for individuals like you and me to profit. The majority of people profiting in this phase are those in tech, and the goal of this video is to show just how anyone can start earning passive income, then grow from there. With great power comes great responsibility, so this great power that DeFi has presented comes with risks. This video also shows how to manage the risks by following certain guidelines. Before we continue, imagine earning 5 to 10% monthly of your money invested for the next 10 to 20 years. With that being said, let's move on. Averaging $10K, $30K a day is now possible thanks to a simple technique in DeFi called liquidity pool arbitration. Again, I'll explain. Liquidity pool arbitration is a combination of 3 words: liquidity, pool, arbitration. According to Investopedia, liquidity simply refers to the ease at which an asset can be converted into ready cash without affecting its market price. These assets can be crypto assets like Ethereum, ETH, Bitcoin, BTC. A pool simply means an area of still water. Now putting liquidity and pool together. A liquidity pool is an area in DeFi where crypto assets are crowdsourced and used to facilitate trades between other assets on the decentralized exchange, DEX, either exchanges controlled by no central authority. For clarity's sake, crowdsourcing in DeFi simply means a model in which crypto assets are obtained from a large, relatively open, and often rapidly evolving group of participants. Finally, let me explain what arbitration is and then put it all together. Arbitration, in plain English, is a procedure in which a dispute is submitted. Due to the crowdsourcing model adopted in the liquidity pool, disputes are bound to arise, and this is a problem. Every problem for someone is an earning opportunity for someone else, and in this case, we are someone else. Let me show you how to profit from this problem. Now, you understand the fundamental concept. Note, there are screenshots of actual earning results, but I don't have permission to do so. Disclaimer, I am not a financial expert, but someone passionately educating about the opportunities in DeFi. As with every other thing in life, there are risks involved. Every network has liquidity pools, where the owners of the platform have paired 2 crypto assets, for example, Avalanche, AVAX, and DAI. Avalanche is an umbrella platform for launching decentralized finance, DeFi applications, financial assets, trading, and other services. DAI is the native stablecoin for the Maker protocol and the world's first crypto-collateralized and decentralized stablecoin, whose value is soft-pegged to the US dollar. The liquidity pool would look like AVAXDILP. They work by paying the liquidity pool owner a % of every transaction someone makes going from AVX to DAI or DAI to AVX. Now, when a lot of people trade from DAI, to AVX, it then causes the pool to become, say, 51% DI and 49% AVAX. This creates an opportunity for you to come in and trade AVX or DI to level it out again to equal 50 by 50. I've seen this done on various platforms during my free time, and these patterns were discovered. Bots that literally track human behavior are being created on these platforms to automate the entire process and arbitrage them automatically. This is where data science meets blockchain. One more thing to take note of. Based on simple maths, it doesn't benefit you to do arbitrage with anything less than $3,000, because 1% equals $3 minus gas fees equals $0, and 50 cents equals $2.50 profit if you only have $3 K. The testing of this technique was carried out with $500 K. The money was crowdfunded by 500 persons with an individual investment of $1 K, thereby generating $500 K. Based on this technique, $25 K is made daily in profit, multiplied by an average of 20 days in a month. $500 K is generated in a month and shared amongst the testers. External investors not among the beta testers are brought in to share the profit with an interest of 8%, 12%. These opportunity windows last for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and there are multiple exchanges to check in order to take advantage of them. This is why I always ask myself, what exactly is money? Below you will find the top DeFi coins for 2022. 1. Tamadoj. It's not often that investors find a coin such as Tamadoj, offering great utility and enabling investors to earn rewards. Decentralized finance has made peer-to-peer transactions possible without a third party, but Tamadoj has enabled users also to play games and earn crypto. To participate, users need to buy NFTs in the Tamaverse so that they can feed their virtual pets and help them develop. Players who have cared for their pets the most and raised them will be ranked the highest on the leaderboard and receive the highest rewards. The rewards are Tamadoj coins, but players can sell them for other currencies. 2. Battle Infinity. Analyzing Battle Infinity's IBAT token and comparing it to other DeFi coins showed us immediately that this coin is the first pick. The developers combined the virtual world with gaming elements to create 6 platforms for users to earn while they play. Players can explore the metaverse while building teams and interacting with each other. The Battle Arena provides players a platform to compete by using VR headsets and have their own unique avatars, and add clothing and other items by collecting the items at the battle market. Players can also earn through Battle Stake by competing against other players to earn the most rewards. Active players are also rewarded from the global staking pool, which collects transaction fees and distributes them to IBAT holders. IBAT is a BP20 protocol running on the Binance Smart Chain network and used for monetizing land and advertising on billboards within the ecosystem. 3. DeFi Coin. Leading the way when it comes to the best DeFi coins to buy is DeFi Coin. As the name implies, DeFi Coin is a cryptocurrency token that is firmly ingrained within the ever-growing decentralized finance DeFi sector. The token is native to the new DeFi Swap Decentralized Exchange DEX, which offers valuable swapping, staking, and yield farming services. DeFi Swap also has some of the best DeFi interest rates for those who hold DEFC tokens. Although DeFi Swap has been in development for months, the team behind the exchange finally gave the go-ahead to launch in early May, which prompted the DeFi coin DEFC price to surge by over 300%. Although DEFC is the native token for the exchange, it also has several other exciting use cases, including static rewards for holders. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.